Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're just gonna vlog a little bit again. It is, what day is it? It's December 8th today, which means that I am 19, you guys, what? Last Saturday, it was December 4th, and my birthday as well. I turned 19, and that is very weird to me because it's my last teenage year, and I don't know, it's just kind of scary because I feel like I'm actually getting old now. It's so stupid, I know. I was at my boyfriend's house for the whole weekend, and we went here to my house to have a piece of cake. It was very pretty. It had like these thingies that you burn, and they have like these little stars that come off, and it was in the shape of 19, and it was so cool. It was a really good cake. And then we also took some Polaroids. We took this Polaroid, so cute. They had these slingers like happy birthday. Also this one, I love this photo so much, just me and my boyfriend. It's so incredibly cute. I really love it. Something else really fun that I got is this. It's a yesstyle advanced calendar. Oh my god, can you believe it? It was such a surprise. Like, I'm a yesstyle influencer, and that's why I also have my own discount code and stuff. Like a month ago, they emailed me and they said, since you've been doing so well, we really want you to get a yesstyle advent calendar. You can sign up here. And I was like, what? And I was so happy. Look how amazing this looks. Like, are you kidding? I also posted about it on my Instagram story because, oh my god, but it's so big. It is actually so big. Like, oh my god. It looks so amazing. So right now it's December 8th, and I actually did already open it for today. I just want to show you what's inside. What I already got. I have no idea what I'm missing, but I'm missing something. First day was this. Their face mask. Look how much. I think there are like 10 in here, maybe 8. Then the second day I got this Bye Bye Blemish. It's a bubble cleanser. This is what inside. Doesn't it look kind of cute actually? Oh, I remember. Day 3 was a eyebrow pencil. Now I don't do my eyebrows, but you know, maybe someday in the future, you never know. Then day 4, I love this one so much. Look at this. Look at how cute this packaging is. I opened this and it smells so good. Peach cotton finish powder. Day 5 was a pep balm. This is what it looks like. It's kind of just lipstick. Then day 6, we had this one. These are eye patches, but I don't really know how this works exactly, but it comes with like these little tweezers. Then for yesterday, this thing came with this. In it was makeup remover. This was also inside of it. This is mascara. I don't know if you can tell this part, which is just flat and like a normal brush, and then you have the bottom part, which is actually like some kind of comb. I just want to add something. This mascara is apparently waterproof. I didn't really realize that at first. If you are looking for a waterproof mascara, I don't think you have anything better than this. Oh my god, I went in the shower, I could not get it off with water at all, not even a little bit. Then I tried using a face cleanser, could not get it off. I did eventually get it off with makeup remover, but oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. I will link it down below with the rest of the products that I showed you from the advent calendar. And then today, I think my favorite so far. Already the packaging looks so good. And then inside is a highlighter and a mirror. I tried the highlighter this morning and it looks so good. So let's take a break. I just want to get something off my chest. Like, if you've been following me for a long time, then you know that I always want to be like open and honest with you guys, and I want to be real with you. You know, I don't know, it's like this season, or like it's getting cold and dark, and if that's it, but lately I've not been feeling super great. And lately I've been just so scared. Like, YouTube is like my big dream, and I've always like struggled with what I want to do in life, and then I found YouTube, and it's like the one thing that I love so much. Like, I am able to actually do the rest of my life, and YouTube is my dream, and there's nothing else really out there that makes me happy. And if I do something that makes me unhappy, even though it might get me a lot of money, I'm just so unhappy doing it, and it has so much effect on my mental health. So doing YouTube actually is like my full-time job, is such a blessing, but it also like scares me. Like, what if that's never gonna happen? What if YouTube's never gonna happen for me? Like, that's really scary to me, because that would mean that I'd have to do something else that probably does not make me happy. and that would mean that the rest of my life I'd probably not be as happy as I possibly could be. I'm looking back at this now. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for this negative image that I'm giving you. Like, I am being real, but I don't like this version of me. Things are gonna change, I promise. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna quit or anything. Not at all. I'm gonna keep going, but things are gonna change, and I will talk to you about that soon. I think on my New Year's video, I really don't want to be that way, and I don't want to give up those vibes because I always believe that you can make anything possible, and I still want to give up those vibes to you. And I don't want to sound like I'm so sad, I'm never gonna make it. Like, I don't want to be like that. So I'm so sorry. This is only temporary. It's a one-time thing, I promise. But we're just gonna keep going. Like, I'm so motivated to keep going. I'm only 19, and to be honest, I did accomplish already so much with YouTube. Like, not everyone gets this far. I just really hope it's gonna happen for me one day, and I hope it's soon. Okay, so Christmas. I've bought some Christmas stuff, and I thought I want to show you what I got last year and this year. Also for my birthday something, and I want to decorate it. I still feel like I'm forgetting something, but anyways, what I got last year, I got this thing. It's a little penguin. It's like a snow thingy. And I also got this thing. He's ice skating. Isn't that so cute? And it has a little light. What I also bought last year is this thing. There are not any batteries in here. I did not use this last year. It's like a little fireplace, and I really want to use it this year. Then this year I got this thing. It's actually a bell. I just liked how it looked. Like, look at it. It's so cute. Then I also got this thing, and this is actually a candle. Do you see that? It has like a little thingy here, but I'm not actually gonna light it. I just thought this looked so cool. Then this thing, I thought this was also kind of fun. Plus, it lights up. It has these little lights inside, and I thought this was so adorable. This is the cutest little thing. It's a little, what do you call this? An ice bear. Isn't it so cute? It's like stretching. I also have this one. I don't know if you can see it, but I believe it says, what is it? What does it say? Wonderful winter time. And I got this at a thrift store. I believe this was not even €1, so how could I not get it? And then for my birthday, I got little Santa Claus lights. Then what I also got, a little Christmas tree. I really wanted a small Christmas tree for in my room this year. I also, with it, got these small Christmas balls because it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but the normal ones are a lot bigger. But I thought this would be way more fitting for this small Christmas tree. One thing though is that the pot is red, but it is like Christmassy, so I'm not sure if I should cover it up, but I did want to kind of decorate it. And since we're gonna get the Christmas stuff from the attic tonight, I can really finish it. But right now I only have this and some Christmas lights, which I still have to find because I have no idea where I left them. So I'm gonna go look for them. Yeah, so I have no idea where I left my other fairy lights. I'm just gonna have to use these that are on my bed. I want to put in the lights already, but like the, what do you call them? Like, no, the thingies that you wrap around in, I probably have to get those from the Christmas stuff that we already have. They might be a little big for it, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna put the lights in it, and we're also gonna put the rest in place. Okay, it's actually not so bad. Okay, I do like it, I have to admit. No! One's broken! Probably my own fault. I do like that. Well, not like this, like just laying there, but I do like the colors. So I'm gonna have to wait until we get the Christmas stuff from the attic, get the hooks. Okay, I'm back. So first, I put the batteries in this thing. Look how cool this looks. I totally forgot what it looked like. This is so cool. I think first I want to hang these up, and I actually thought I wanted to put it here. Oh my god, I knew I forgot something. I found these when I was looking for these. They're like these lights with snowflakes. I totally forgot those. Those are gonna look so cute over there, like right over there. Like, oh my god, I'm missing something else. Oh my god, I got these as well from last year. How could I forget? Oh my god. They also have lights in them. I don't think the batteries are completely full, but okay. Let's figure it out. Let's get started. Okay. Oh my god. Kind of cute, right? They're not so bright. These ones aren't either, but okay. They were so long, so I went under the shelf as well because they're like not long enough to go back another time. I think this looks kind of cute. Hey, baby. Hey. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Did you want to be in the vlog too? Yes. Oh, I thought this would be kind of fun to put here. Then we have the Christmas trees. Then we have this one. I don't know where to leave this exactly. I thought maybe in here. All these cat toys. Go play. Great. This ain't so cute, you know, but I don't really have a different place for my vinyls. But I kind of do want to put it here somewhere. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm just gonna figure it out and also where to put the other stuff and I will be back. Okay, I'm back. I did it. We're gonna start small. I have the little penguin right here next to my clock. I thought I would put this little guy right below the Christmas tree. I thought it was kind of cute. On my desk, we have this one. Then I just didn't really know. So I put this one over here. I put all of my vinyls here. It's not the best like this, but again, it's temporary. And I just really loved this. I put some magazines below it, like the top magazine is actually like a winter magazine. So I thought it was fitting. And then over here I have a Christmas vinyl and just 2 more vinyls just to make it look not so bald. And I just really like this actually. So I want to keep it like this. So I guess that were all the Christmas decorations. I will see you later when I'm gonna decorate the rest of the Christmas tree. Hi, it's the next day. It was pretty late when we went to get the Christmas stuff from the attic, so I thought I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. I did get some of those thingies to try if it would look any good at all. I got the red one because I just thought it would look the best with the ornaments that I have. I'm not sure. I don't know if it will be like too much. I just put this in really quickly so it doesn't look the best. I feel like the top is also so bald like this because this is very full right now, but I do have to say that I think this might be cute. Okay, hi, I'm back already, but okay. But I feel like this might be just so big. Oh my God. Might be just so big, if you know what I mean. I think I need to cut something off first. No, even if I like would cut something off, I don't think it would look good. There we go. It just doesn't look good. I put on my glasses because my eye was getting irritated. I got the hooks to put on the ornaments. I also got the little penguin from downstairs. I still don't know if I want to keep this. Ta-da! We found this. It's like some kind of plate thing and it has like stars and moons. But I thought this was perfect. If I would give it some water, it might come out a little bit from the bottom and that would catch it up perfectly. So this is like the best thing we could find. And what do you think? Do you like it? But I like it like this. I'm gonna keep it. I will show you some footage at night, what it looks like with all the lights on and everything, with the Christmas tree and the Santa Claus lights and stuff, and I love it. So I am satisfied with everything. I guess that was it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be part of the family if you aren't yet. And I hope I will see you in my next video.